Hello everyone, Shravan Mantri here. We are solving Hackerrank problems. In the algorithms, we are going to the subdomain WOM. In the problem statement, it is asking you have to convert a 12-hour format into 24 hours format. In the question, if you clearly observe, there are 4 constants you need to check it out. Let us suppose you take sample input 7:05 p.m. has to be written as anyway 7 plus 12 19 19 5 45, and you must remember this has been taken as a string, and also that's what, and you have to reduce the string like this. In order to write, we will see the Python code for the given question. There are 4 here is the logic we have taken. First of all, we need the first 2 here. So here s of 0 to 2, which means it will take 0 up to 2. Fine, submit the